I've been having a problem with the wiring situation under my desk. Obviously, it's an absolute disaster. That's problem number one. But problem number two is there's no plugs left. All I have to work with are these two plugs here on this power thingy here. That one on the right, it doesn't really work properly, so I just have those two. And if I have something like the camera charger plugged in, which I usually do when I'm making a video because my camera batteries aren't the greatest anymore, they don't last as long as they should, so I generally like to have one on charge while I'm recording, otherwise I have to keep stopping and charging the camera and never get any videos made. Anyways, this is turning into a battery rant and that's not what it's supposed to be. So what I have to do is I need to get more plugs. So interestingly enough, I got this for Easter a couple days ago. This is a very interesting power bar. Looks like it's a really good concept, partially because well, I just got it at a good time, and partially because the a lot of the problems I have are plugging in what are those things called? Wall warts. Typically the only way to do it is with a traditional power bar like this. You have to have it on the end, and then you can use the the plugs for everything else. Or if you had more wall warts to plug in, you can do this, which is a 3-plug thingy at the end, and then you can plug in 2 smaller wall warts and then one there, and then you're only left with 2 plugs. So neither way is really good, but this looks like this would take a lot of wall warts. And if you're wondering where the wall warts are coming from, yes, it's coming from all of the telephones. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up. It looks like it's extensively tie wrapped onto there. So I'm going to get that open, and then I'll set it up. Not permanently, but just so I can plug in enough things, because sometimes like I want to plug in that computer and the camera at the same time, and I can't do it. So let me get this open and then we'll go from there. Alright, here it is. Well, I'd like to believe this is slightly better quality than most of the stuff out there today. It still bears 2 unfortunate things, one of them being the Made in China logo, and then the second one being the outrageous non-user serviceable screws. Anyways, it's definitely a neat concept. In the future I may install this elsewhere and actually utilize it for the purpose of plugging up a large amount of wall warts. But for now I just need to get it plugged up so that I can plug in other things, because surprise surprise, my camera battery is now indicating that it's low. Now let's see how well this works. Well, that seems to work well. Let's see. Can even fit the computer plug right next to it. That's pretty good. And then we can plug in the other computer, and that actually works pretty well. Interesting. Well, I guess that was successful for now. I'm gonna charge up the camera batteries, and then we'll make some other videos. Over and out.